In this video, we're going to have a look at how to add a product video here on the left-hand side, and that is entered using a custom field. So if I edit this product, you will see that I've added a custom field here where I enter the URL, and then that is displayed correctly on the web page just below the image. So to make that work, what I'm going to do is I've created this product add-on group, and this is where I insert the custom field. So we're going to delete that. So we'll trash that. We're also going to remove the function that was used to output the information. So we'll save that. And now when I head over to the website, there won't be a video available. Right. So the first thing that we need to do then is create the custom field for the video. So I'm going to head over here to advanced custom fields, and we're going to create the custom field group. So let's add new, and we'll call this video for products, and we'll add a field, and we're going to use the embed field because we're going to embed from YouTube, and we're going to call this the product video, and we'll just make that the product video, and I'm just going to make it unique with a prefix. Right, so we have the field, we have it as an embed. Now we just need to have it published on the product page, on product, and we're going to set the order number to 1, and we're going to save that. So now when I go to the product page and I edit the product, you'll see that we have a field here called the product video. So before we do anything, I have a video here. I'm just going to copy that link and then head over to the product, paste in that URL, and you'll see that the video is now available. We'll update, and updated, we'll view the product, but you'll notice that the video is obviously not displaying. So where do we want it to display? We're going to have a look at the visual hook guide, and you see that we want it on the left-hand side. So we want to display it over here, and we see that there is this WooCommerce product thumbnails hook. So I'm just going to go down here, and I'm going to add in this product thumbnails hook. Then I'm going to head back to my snippet, and I'm going to paste in that snippet. So there you can see the thumbnails. Now what I need to do is add a function to display the content. So function underscore, and let's call it product underscore video. Right, and we need to just check where we're displaying that. So let me copy that, and I'm going to copy that, paste it in. And now I'm just going to echo out the words video so I can see more or less where that's going to be displayed in the output. Head over here to the front of the website, and you'll see the word video displayed. Now what we want to do is hook out of the video. So I'm going to echo to get out. I need to echo out here, but what? So if I enlarge that, you'll see that at the moment I'm inside this figure, and I want to be outside of that figure because then I don't have the formatting from that class. So to do that, I'm going to head over here, and if we look at the code here, I'm just going to echo out a /figure, and now I'm echoed out, and if I save that and we have a look, you'll see that the video is displayed and we're no longer in that block, and if we inspect, you'll see that video is now outside of that figure tag. So now what we can do is output the video. Now if you can't remember what the name of that video file was, simply go to your video, edit product, and you'll see there's a little eye next to the product video, and if I click on that, I can copy that link to the clipboard. Now I'm just going to echo out the underscore field, and then I'm going to put in the name of the video. Right, so we're going to echo out the field, which is that video, the product video, and save. And then I'm going to head over back to the product, And now you'll see that the video is displayed. If I want to wrap that in a div, then I can. If I want to leave it like that, I can. Generally, though, what's going to happen is you'll have some thumbnails above this. So what I'm going to do then is include a field, a class. So what we'll do then is we'll echo out a div class equals, and we'll just say by-prod-video, and then we'll just add at the end of that, we're just going to do the closing div tag. Right, so there we have the div added, and let's just have a look here. Just need to get some formatting right here. So there we have the opening div tag class equals, and I'm just going to copy that. And then there we have the closing div tag. Then I'm going to save that and head over to the website. We're going to refresh. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to go in and customize that div. Now you'll also notice that the video is displaying outside of that div. So let's just have a look at that. So if we inspect, we'll see that the div is here and the frame is above, which means that if we look at how the video is output, we'll see that it's output in an iframe. So this div is not going to work. So what I'm going to do then is just, no need to do that. We can just leave it then as echoing out the div. And then the styling we can do here via the iframe styling. So let's just refresh, and I can remove that. So if I want to, I can here under iframe. I see I did add some iframe styles in earlier. If we take that away, you'll see that the iframe sometimes then extends beyond the column. It doesn't respect the column width, and that's because it has a default width which is wider. So if we then set in a width of 100% and important, then of course it will fit within that column. If we look at that in mobile view, you'll see that the video does fit in the mobile view. The height is a little bit out, so and that'll look good on mobile. But we'll have to set this for the mobile view, because the moment we go back to desktop, you'll see that that'll be the wrong size. So what I'm going to do then is just do an at media, and we'll go max width, and we'll make that 768 pixels. And then I'm just going to copy that, paste it in there, and then over here I'm going to remove that height reference. Right, so there we have the iframe reference here, and we must just at med should be at media. Right, that'll work, and we can publish. And now you'll see that in the mobile view, that'll still look respectable. Then I'm going to close that off. And there we have our product video neatly placed underneath the product image. If I wanted to put some spacing above there, I could then in the iframe setting just add a margin at the top. So, and then if I wanted to just ensure that that iframe setting only applied to the single product page, then of course I can head over here. We can just inspect, go to the top, and over here in the classes at the top of the page, what I can do is I can just set this then to single product. So I'll just do that anyway. So I'm going to head over to customize additional CSS, and we're just going to say this should only happen on the single product, and here we're going to go with the single product. Then I'm going to publish that. I'm going to close that off. Now, of course, we only want this to be implemented if there is a video. So I'm going to head back to my snippet now, and you'll see at the moment I just said echo the field. So to maybe do it a little bit better, then we can go video URL is equal to, and now we'll go and use the get field. So I'm going to use get field, and now what I'm going to do here is echo out the video URL and save. And what I'm also going to do then is just if, and I'm going to go video underscore URL and opening, and then here we will go with the closing. So only if there's a video URL will it echo out that information, and we can save. And let's just go and have a look. So I'm going to refresh the page and the video works. And if I go to a page with no video, then of course nothing is displayed. So that's pretty much then how we can add a video and then hook it in underneath the image to display on products where we do have a product video. So I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.